Today's math lesson is on adding fractions where the answers will be greater than 2. So basically we're adding mixed numbers and our answer will be a mixed number. So today in class we worked on this. I'm going to do a video for your homework problem number 3 in their yellow books. String A is 3 5/6 meters long. String B is 2 1/4 meter long. What is the total length of both strings? So when it says total or both, I know I'm going to be adding. So the way we did this in class is we did not focus on the whole number when we were getting a common denominator. We just focused on the fraction. So we're getting a common denominator here of 12, because when you count by 6s and you count by 4s, the first place they meet is 12. You're going to do your top-bottom rule, which with your multiplication in both fractions. And after you do your multiplication, you're going to come up with your two equivalent fractions. So you're going to do 10/12 and 3/12. Now, when you rewrite the problem that you're going to add together, you add in the whole number. So I have 3 in that 10/12 plus 2 and 3/12. And then when you do the addition, you add the whole numbers first. 3 plus 2 is 5. And you add the fractions second. 10/12 plus 3/12 is 13/12. Now, as you notice here, your fraction is an improper fraction. So you have to change that to a mixed number. So what ends up happening is that becomes 1 1/12. And you have to add that to the 5 wholes that you already have. And your final answer is 6 1/12. Word problems require tape diagrams. So since this is a simple tape diagram where you're trying to figure out what the total is, that's what you're trying to figure out, the total whole piece of tape. You will notice that 3 5/6 is one of the pieces of tape, and 2 1/4 is the other piece of tape, and both those two added together will give you this total whole piece of tape. So that's just a tape diagram or a model to represent the word problem that we're solving. So that's how you're doing these types of problems tonight.